Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Azure Functions extension, Azure CLI, and the chosen runtime node or net. Once done, sign into Azure inside Vscode so deployment and account access work. Next, create a new Functions project and pick the runtime and language. This scaffolds host, JSON, and function folders. Then create a function with the trigger you want, for example, HTTP, and give it a clear name. These steps get you from 0 to a runnable project fast. You write the function logic and store secrets in local. Settings: JSON so production keys stay safe. Make sure to add necessary package or NuGet references and restore dependencies. Once ready, start the functions host with funcstart and exercise endpoints via curl, HTTP, or Postman. This verifies runtime behavior. For interactive inspection, set breakpoints in Vscode and launch the debugger. This lets you step through code, inspect variables, and fix logic before deploying. You deploy once local tests pass. Select or create an Azure Function app from the Vscode Azure pane, confirm runtime and region, and choose a deployment slot if needed. Then use Deploy to Function app and watch the output for success. After deployment, verify by sending live HTTP requests and check logs in the Azure portal or Application Insights to ensure correct behavior. If something goes wrong, try this key tip: check local settings, JSON, and app settings for missing keys or mismatched runtime versions before redeploying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.